The wait is finally over. After months of speculation and radio silence, we now have concrete details about what might be the next big leap in handheld gaming. ASUS has officially stepped back into the spotlight with the reveal of the ROG Ally 2. And no, this isn't just another round of rumors. This time we have solid facts, backed by official FCC filings and confirmed leaks from trusted industry insiders. Let's start with the basics. The device is officially called the ASUS ROG Ally 2. No codenames or placeholders, just a direct continuation of the first generation. This choice keeps the momentum and brand recognition alive, and so far, it seems to be paying off. What really makes this reveal so exciting is just how much we know already. According to leaked images, insider reports, and official documents, ASUS isn't just releasing one version of the ROG Ally 2, they're launching two models, one white and one black. Each seems designed to appeal to a different kind of gamer, a bold move that signals ASUS' broader strategy in the handheld market. The white model is the one we know the most about. Leaks show it has a redesigned, larger grip that prioritizes comfort for extended gaming sessions. While early prototypes look a bit bulky, it's important to remember this is still pre-release hardware, and ASUS could refine the final build. Aesthetically, it draws some inspiration from devices like the PlayStation Portal, with a futuristic, angular design aimed squarely at gamers. Internally, the white model is reportedly powered by AMD's Phoenix 2 chip. This 4-core processor is built for power efficiency, operating at just 20 West TDP. In real terms, this means solid gaming performance without hammering the battery, exactly what handheld gamers have been asking for. Insiders say ASUS plans to price this version around $400, positioning it as a direct competitor to the Steam Deck but with better ergonomics and potentially longer battery life. Adding to the intrigue, the white model features a mysterious new side button. ASUS hasn't commented on what it does yet, but speculation ranges from performance tuning to streaming shortcuts to a quick access menu launcher. Depending on what ASUS confirms, this could be a standout feature that sets the Ally 2 apart. All signs point to ASUS designing the white model to balance affordability and performance. It's not trying to be the most powerful handheld ever, but rather the best value for gamers who want a comfortable, efficient device that's ready to handle both local and cloud gaming. Given how well the Steam Deck has performed in this price range, ASUS is clearly positioning itself as the premium yet accessible alternative. Timing is also lining up perfectly. The ROG Ally 2 is expected to officially launch in early July, right in the middle of gaming event season when excitement is at its peak. If ASUS can deliver on the promise of longer battery life, improved ergonomics, and enough power to handle modern games smoothly, they could have a massive hit on their hands. This is only half the story, though. We still have the black model to talk about, which leaks suggest will be a more powerful, premium version aimed at hardcore gamers who want the absolute best specs money can buy. But before we dive into that, it's worth pausing to appreciate what ASUS is doing with the white model. They're not just chasing raw power, they're rethinking how a handheld fits into your daily life, how it feels in your hands, and how it balances performance with battery life and comfort. Stay tuned for part 2 of our deep dive, where we'll break down everything we know about the black model and what it means for the future of portable gaming.